Hi, and thank you for joining me for a daily World Barometer reading. This reading is for September 13th. Today's energy is the Hanged Man, and this is where we are dealing with habits, and these are habits that we have decided just really aren't that big of a deal. So, of course, in my life, that would be sugar. And so I have constantly told myself that I don't have to worry about eating sugar, that it bothers other people, wouldn't bother me, couldn't possibly be causing me any of my health problems. All of that information is in the my September article on my website. So think about the habits that are ones that really are hurting you even when you hope they didn't. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.